Wait, you're gonna slip. Dry yourself off. Go on. Welcome everybody to Macho the Rottweiler. We just got back from a walk and it was raining outside and he's all wet, and the first thing he did is come in, went straight to the rug, and then he made it to his bed. Yeah, we had to cut it short because of my shin splints again, and it's really muddy out there. The dog park's closed, and just everywhere else is just really, I mean, the grass is like sopping, you know, it's been raining a lot. But anyway, so he got a little bit of a walk. My shins hurt, like I said, but he has been chomping at the bit. I mean, he keeps barking me, you know, barking behind my back. So, you gonna get some water? What are you gonna do? Yeah. Sounds like you need some more. That's it? That's it? That's all you want? I don't want to see. Is there a cat in here? There's Chloe. There's Chloe in the cat house. Hi, Chloe. Usual greeting from a cat. She's in the cat house, so it's all heated up in there. She's got it made. That tunnel's heated too. It's got a heating pad in there. And it's really not cold, you guys. It's raining, but it's not cold. How Macho. Quit peeing on the corner right there, will you? I caught him twice peeing on my chair. Damn it. Bad dog. Are you done? We're gonna go inside now? I guess I can take this hoodie off. This hood off. You done? Oh, I'm going inside. Okay, you too. Yes, it's a big baby. You're still all wet and should dry you off, huh? Yeah, I gotta do that. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.